Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Laksmy and I am back with a new video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Like I said before, my name is Laksmy. You are already a subscriber. Welcome back. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that post notification button so you guys can get notified whenever I make new uploads. Anyway, so as you have seen on the title of this video, I am going to be doing the unbagging for the Ipsy Glam bag for the month of January. So it's my first unbagging of the year. Yeah. Ignore my hair, it's a mess. I have some sort of like treatment in it and it's just marinating until I wash it out. But you know, procrastinating is a must. Let me start rambling. If you guys want to watch my unbagging of the Ipsy Glam bag for January 2019, then stay tuned. Alright, you guys, so you already know the deal. This is what the bag comes in. Is a nice fuchsia foiled envelope bag. It has my address in the front and I'm not gonna show that. I already opened it up for you guys. And let's just dig in here and see what we have. Alright, so we have some masks. Let's start off with this first. So it has a little card on the inside and it says, New Year, more products, more focus on you. That sounds exciting. Are they giving us more stuff? What? All right, so this is the card. It has this beautiful women on it. Oh my God, look at these big. Her complexion is to die for. Alrighty, and then in the back it says, welcome to your best year yet. You know something? I have dreamt about that quote or that saying so much since this year started that it's not even funny. Just reading it on this card makes me like crazy because I can't get that quote out of my head. Like, this is gonna be my best year yet. And seeing it on this card is like validation. It's a sign. Moving on. All right, so the first thing we have in the bag is gonna be these two masks. They're face masks, of course. This is from Jeju N. I think that's how you pronounce it. It has it right here. I think that is the brand. I have never heard of this brand before. This mask basically says, you can't handle this sheet. That's a nice pun. That's funny. It has some instructions in the back of how to use it. I'm not gonna go ahead and use this now. Like, honestly, when it comes to Ipsy, I don't do try-ons. But if you guys would rather see me do try-ons on Ipsy, then let me know. And I can do try-on styles. But this is the first thing, this mask here. I guess it's like a heated mask. And it's volcanic ash. Like it says right here. Ignore my nails, you guys. I am due for a refill. And if you are already a subscriber of this channel, you will know that I always have busted nails when I film, which is messed up because most of the time I'm always on top of my nails, but whenever they're looking crusty or they're due for a refill or they break, oh, it's filming day. Yay. Anyway, this is gonna be the second mask. This one is hyaluronic acid. And this one is called, this sheet is bananas, as in, you already know. Another pun. Like I said, in the back, it has instructions of how to use it. This one, just to give you guys a quick explanation of how to use these masks. It says, step 1, apply mask to clean face. Step 2, chill for 15 to 20 minutes. Snap a selfie and share the fun with friends. Step 3, remove mask and reveal glowing skin. Ooh. I'm definitely gonna try these and I'm gonna let you guys know how I liked it or how I didn't like it. I'm very much into face masks of late. I'm actually collecting them. I don't know why whenever I get obsessed with one product or with one item or one thing in general, I obsess so hard over it that I just want to collect. I want to collect a bunch of it, just have it and never run out of. So yeah, these are the first two items in the bag. So this is the actual Ipsy Glam bag for the month of January. Is this little nice light blue and white stripes, and it has a cute little pink zipper handle or zipper thing, whatever. And it has a nice little pink interior. This is a cute little like summer bag. This is something cute that you could just put when you're going like on a vacation, and you know, this gives me like beach vibes. I don't know why. If you look at the material, it almost looks like it's denim, but it's really not. But it is adorable. This is adorable. I love it. First thing out of the bag is going to be this light shifting highlighter cream by So Susan Cosmetics. And this one is called Dream Maker. I have never heard of this brand before. That's the good thing about, you know, having these like beauty subscription things, because you always discover new brands. So this is what the little highlighter looks like. It's really cute. And again, I'm so sorry I didn't give, you know, proper explanation of what Ipsy is. If you don't know what Ipsy is, or the glam bag is, Ipsy is basically a monthly subscription service that you receive. I think it's 4 to 5 to 6 trial size or travel size beauty products. And you can try out, you can, you know, discover new brands that you've never heard of before. Like this one, for example, I've never heard of this before. And it's only $10 per month. And they send you a different bag every month. Like every bag is different, and they have basically like a theme or whatever. So let's swatch this baby, just because, you know, I want to see how good this is. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and put some on here. That might have been a little too much. I hate wasting products. It's not even funny. Like, I hate it. Like, ugh. Let's do this right here in front of the camera. Ooh. Oh, wow. This is like yellow gold. Like, this is not even like, I don't know if you guys can see. I hate the fact that I have this tattoo on my swatching hand, but of course I didn't think about using it for swatching when I got the tattoo, but whatever. It's a very nice subtle highlight, and it's very yellow. Honestly, the camera is doing it no justice. Like, it's a lot more yellow in person. That's cute. She cute. All right, she cute. So this was the first item in the bag, or no, this was the third item in the bag. Moving on to whatever's next. Let's take something out. Alrighty, so we have we have an eyeshadow. Okay, I got an eyeshadow on last month's bag, and it was by The Balm Cosmetics, and that was my first time ever trying anything The Balm, and I am obsessed with that freaking eyeshadow. It's just one color, and I literally wear it every single day to work, every day, and it's like a dark burgundy with shimmer. But I wear it every single day, and I get so many compliments, and I do different things with it, so it always looks like like it's something different. Like, I'm not using the same actual like eyeshadow. I am so obsessed with the formula of that eyeshadow that I just cannot live without it at this point, and I really, really want to go and purchase like the full palette for that one. Now, this one here is the Alternative Rock Volume 2 Blush and Shadow. This is a blush and a shadow, and this one is in the shade Bare Minimum. If you can see right there, this is what the little packaging looks like. This is so cute, I swear. Like, look at this right here. And this is the inside. Let us look at this color. Okay, it's like a nice little nude. So I guess you can use this as a blush and as an eyeshadow. I'm going to go ahead and swatch this bad boy. That's cute. Blush. You know what? It has no scent, no fragrance whatsoever. I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna try it out as a blush just to see how it looks, because it says, I'm getting a little bit confused here. So this is the Alternative Rock Volume 2 Blush Shadow. And it's from the Face Palette Volume 2. Yeah, so I guess it's both. It could be both. I'm gonna try it on as a blush really quick, just to see how it looks. I already have blush on, but you know, it's an old blush from earlier in the day, so it might Ooh. Oh yeah, I use a really humongous brush for my blush because I've used blush brushes before and they don't really work for me. That's intense. That's an intense blush right there. I'm gonna go ahead and even out the other side. Yeah, that's hella intense. Let me bring this down a couple notches. I'm just gonna go in with a clean brush just to, like, you know, get rid of that excess pink clown cheeks that I have going on right now. Cause ain't nobody got time for all that nonsense. All right, that's a little better. All right, so this is the fourth item in the bag. I am very, very excited about this one because The Balm has proven to be a really, really good brand. Like I said before, I'm very eager to go and get some stuff, like get full-size products from their brand and try them out. Moving on to the next item in the bag, it's going to be this pencil. This is a lip liner by Jante Blue. I think I got another one of the, no, I got an eyeliner by Jante Blue on one of my BoxyCharm boxes. And this is what the color is. Let me show you guys. I suck at showing stuff. Like, I just, seriously. And this is in the shade, it doesn't have a shade. Oh, it's 944 Plum. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this in the back of my hand. So basically it's just a plum shade. It's really pretty. Ooh, that's real cute. I'm not gonna go ahead and use it on my lips because I already got lipstick on, but yeah, and like I said before, this is a lip liner pencil. This is actually a full-size product because my other Jante Blue liner was also this size. So this is pretty cool that this is actually a full-size product, unless I'm crazy and these are supposed to be longer than this is. But, you know, correct me if I'm wrong. Last and final item from the bag is gonna be this guy right here. This is the Tarte. Oh my God, I am holding this up to the light. This thing, the product is right here. This is where it begins. So half of this bottle is empty. That's insane. Anyway, this is the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Full Coverage Foundation with Broad Spectrum SPF 15 Sunscreen. That's a full mouthful of a name. A lot. But anyway, I'm squeezing it and it sounds like there's something crunching on the inside. Is that weird? I don't know. But let me go ahead and open this up. I don't even know if this is my shade. Like, I don't know how these people like color match you and stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and do it right here. I think this might, damn, it might even be my shade. What shade is this? It doesn't have a shade, okay. Tan Honey, that's the shade for this. Let's go ahead and swatch this. Oh wow, it might be my shade. That's pretty crazy. It has no fragrance. It's very soft. Ooh. I don't know about it being full coverage because you can still see my tattoo. And the more you blend it in, the more it goes away. But it's very smooth. I am definitely gonna try that tomorrow for work and try it out for the whole day to see how I like it. This freaking lip liner is like smudging all over the place. Anyway, that sums up this video. It was very quick and very much to the point. I just wanted to do a quick unbagging of this month's glam bag. Let me know what you guys think about this video. Let me know if you guys would want me to change something on my unbagging. If you guys want me to do try-ons instead of just plain unbagging and showing you guys and swatching stuff for you, I will be more than glad to do that. Leave it in the comments down below. If you receive the same items that I received, let me know how you use them. Let me know how you like them. What's your opinion? talk to me, comment stuff down below, give me more video suggestions. If you like this video, please don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to my channel already or yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button on your way out and check out my latest videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys on the next one.